Hanap pa tayo ng mga oldies but goodies. May cake at pizza sa birthday. Oy, talaga naman. Oo, cake at saka pizza. Ayan. Sige, hanap tayo ng kanta ng mga oldies but goodies para sa ating kaibigan na si Christian. Nagpabati din ako sa mga big host na favorite ko. Talaga lang Sige, try natin to. Alright. Let's try this song, Times of Our Life. Oo. Paul Anka. Good morning, yesterday. You wake up and time has slipped away, and suddenly it's hard to find the memories you left behind. Remember, do you remember the laughter and the tears, the shadows of misty yesteryears, the good times and the bad you've seen, and all the others in between? Remember, do you remember the times of our lives? Reach back for the joy and the sorrow, put them away in your mind. The memories are times that you borrow to spend when you get to tomorrow. Here comes the setting sun. The seasons are passing one by one, so gather moments while you may collect the dreams you dream today. Remember, do you remember the times of your life? Grabe. Times of Your Life, popularized by Paul Anka. Gathers moments while you may collect the dreams you dream today. Remember, do you remember the times of your life? Of your life, of your life. Do you remember, baby? Do you remember the times of your life? Yeah, times of your life. Grabe. Grabe talaga mga yung mga lumang kanta, talaga naman oo. Nadadala ako.